Hello, I'm Lynn.
And I'm Jessica from Strathpine Library.
Welcome to our Rhyme Time. And guess what? It's a special one today.
I'm very excited, Lynn.
Why, Jess?
Because Christmas is my favourite time.
Christmas! Hence the hats and the cool shirts. So we start off with our Rhyme Time saying we at the library would like to acknowledge the Turrbal people.
The traditional custodians, and thank them for sharing this land.
So here's the land.
Here's the land.
Here is the sky. Here are my friends, and here am I. Now, it won't be the usual rhyme time today. We will do a couple of things over twice because children and babies learn best by repetition.
As do we.
As do we. And we have practiced this many, many times, so it's all good. Okay, so we're going to sing our welcome song.
Yes.
You got your happy hands ready? We have. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? That was good.
Yes.
Hey, we're in fine form.
And who can't be happy at this time of night?
Jess loves Christmas. So we're going to do some tickling,
Tickling.
just for fun. Are you ready? We'll start with the toes, then the nose, then the tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go high to start with. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. A tickle for your toes, a tickle for your nose, a tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go high, arms go low, a great big hug to say hello. Hello, everybody. Thank you very much for joining us. Okay, we're going to have a fun one now. This is about poor old Santa.
Yes.
Poor old Santa? Do you think he's a poor old Santa?
Sometimes.
This time he is. Are you ready?
Yes, but remember the folks at home may not have heard this one.
We'll go through it fairly slowly to start with, and then we'll do it a second time and you can join in. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Poor old Santa, he got stuck, coming down the chimney, what bad luck, what bad luck.
Oh, poor Santa.
Are you ready to go and do it with us this time? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Poor old Santa, he got stuck, coming down the chimney, what bad luck, what bad luck.
Let's hope Rudolph can pull him out.
I hope so. Poor old Santa. Ready for a reindeer song?
Oh, yes, speaking of reindeer. And what do reindeers like to do?
They love to fly, Jess. This one's about a flying reindeer.
Ooh,
Are you ready to sing this song?
I'm ready.
Okay, we'll sing it through slowly and you can join us on the second one. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. I'm a little reindeer, I love to fly. I pull Santa's sleigh way up high. Christmas is here, I can't be late. All of the children just can't wait.
Let's do it.
Okay, you ready to do it with us? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. I'm a little reindeer, I love to fly. I pull Santa's sleigh way up high. Christmas is here, I can't be late. All of the children just can't wait. That's a nice easy one.
It is.
And it's fun.
Oh, can we count?
Can we count? How many can we count to?
Can we count to 8?
Oh gosh, let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you do it that fast?
No.
Okay, let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got it now?
Yes.
Okay. So what do you have for 8?
4 and 4.
Yeah, what else is an 8? Reindeer.
Reindeers, yes.
8 reindeer pull Santa's sleigh. Oh, pulling the sled. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 8 little reindeer pulling Santa's sled. 2 fell down and bumped their heads. The elves called Santa and Santa said, "Can 6 little reindeer pull my sled?" 6 reindeer. That's a heavy sled. Do you think they can do it?
Hopefully.
Oh, let's try. How many have we got left this time? 6. Let's go. 6 little reindeer pulling Santa's sled. 2 fell down and bumped their head. The elves called Santa and Santa said, "Can 4 little reindeer pull my sled?" I don't know. That's half of them.
Yeah.
Half gone, half there. Let's try 4 this time. Let's go. 4 little reindeer pulling Santa's sled. 2 fell down and bumped their head. The elves called Santa and Santa said, "Can 2 little reindeer pull my sled?"
Asking a bit much.
Oh my goodness, only 2 left. Oh, what'll they do?
Don't know. Did they eat all their oats?
I hope so. Let's go. 2 little reindeer pulling Santa's sled. They fell down and bumped their heads. The elves called Santa and Santa said, "Call Rudolph!"
You see that twist coming?
That was a twist in the reindeer's tail. Okay, this is one that everybody knows.
Now,
And
if
we've
you
got,
have anything jingly jangly at home, now's
this is the time to break it out. No prizes for guessing what the song is. So let's go. We'll start, shall we?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Dashing through the snow in a 1-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Ha, 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 bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a 1-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a 1-horse open sleigh. Yay! That's a good one. Everybody knows that one. Yep. Who's coming to town?
Santa's coming to town.
Santa's coming to town.
He is.
Oh, should we sing about it? I think we should sing about it. And I think everybody at home knows the words for this one too.
I think so.
Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list, checking it twice. Gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good. So if you be good, for goodness sake. So you better not shout, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Yay! I hope the elves can sing better than us.
Oh, you hope so.
Don't worry, mums and dads, the best voice your baby can ever hear is yours.
They don't complain.
No, they don't complain, they love it. So sing to them every day, read to them every day.
And make up your own words if you forget.
As we often do. Okay, the next one is someone has a red nose. Is it me? No.
Is it a reindeer?
Is it a reindeer? It might be a reindeer. We seem to have a reindeer theme at the moment.
A famous reindeer?
Let's go for it. A very famous reindeer. Are you ready? You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then all the reindeer loved him, and they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. And he did. They wrote books about it. Sorry, Library and Jack. Oh dear, we've got one more song.
Oh, should we do some
But it's a good
dancing
fun.
first?
It's a good fun song.
Yes.
And it's another one about Santa and reindeer.
Well,
But I don't know if anyone else has heard this one before. It's one that we like.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. Santa and the reindeer love dancing, dancing. Santa and the reindeer love turning round. Santa and the reindeer love dancing, dancing. Santa and the reindeer love to boogie down. Lean to the left, lean to the right. Hug that reindeer nice and tight. Lean to the left, lean to the right. Hug that reindeer nice and tight. Santa and the reindeer love dancing, dancing. Santa and the reindeer love turning round. Santa and the reindeer love dancing, dancing. Santa and the reindeer love to boogie down. Yay! I think we deserve a round of applause for that one, people. Thank you very much. We ready?
Yes.
We're going to wish you a Merry Christmas. We're going to sing it first. We go, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We would like to wish you and your families a very, very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from everyone at Moreton Bay Regional Libraries. We hope you have a wonderful time, safe and happy holiday, and we hope to see you again soon.
Yes, and may Santa find you on Christmas morning.
And be happy.
Yes.